Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Sitara. Today we are going to learn important words that are used in our constitution, laws and legal system. This will help you in your UPSC preparation and other exam preparation also. So let's begin. Our first word is backbiting, speaking badly about someone behind their back. Next, bail, temporary release of an accused person awaiting trial. Next, bait, something used to attract or trick someone. Next, ballot, a method of voting usually in secret. Next, band, a group of people or a stripe of material. Next, banish, to officially send someone away from a place. Next, banking, business of managing money, savings, and loans. Next, bankruptcy, legal state of not being able to pay debts. Next, bar, a place for drinks or a restriction. Next, bargain, an agreement between two parties, often about price. Next, barrier, something that blocks movement or progress. Next, benefactor, a person who gives help or money to others. Next, bestow, to give something as an honor or gift. Next, betrothed, formally promise to marry someone. Next, baiting, act of gambling or risking money on events. Next, bicameral, a legislature with two houses or chambers. Next, bigotry, unfair dislike towards people of a different group. Next, bill, a draft of a proposed law. Next, bill of exchange, a written order for payment of money. Next, bill of indemnity, law that protects official for past actions. Next, bill of landing, document given when goods are shipped. Next, blockade, stopping goods or people from entering or leaving. Next, blunder, a careless or silly mistake. Next, board, a group managing an organization or company. Next, body, a group of people working together. Next, bogus, something false or fake. Next, bona vacantia, property with no owner goes to the state. Next, breach, breaking a law or agreement. Next, bribe, money or gift given to influence someone unfairly. Next, broadcasting, spreading information through TV, radio, or media. Next, brutal, very cruel or violent. Next, buffoon, a person who acts foolishly to make others laugh. Next, by election, election held to fill a vacant seat. Next, bylaw, local rule made by an authority. Thank you for learning. If you like this explanation, like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Sitara for more videos in this series. See you in next class.